Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today started off pretty crazy. To highlight that, again, each of these is 30 minutes. I bring that up because that volume bar represents the opening portion of the day, and I guess given today is Monday, the opening portion of the week. So volume surged right there, and then after that it was kind of a buzzkill type of a move, given the price did shoot straight up, but then it got smacked back down. And after it got smacked back down, essentially just went sideways for the rest of the day. So I suppose in some senses it could have been a lot worse. I mean, if the price had come down here and then just, closed all the way down here at $4 or below, that could have been much worse. But yeah, as far as, how the chart opened up with that opening 30 minutes, not nearly as nice of a day as what it was looking like it could have been. So with that being said, let's map out a couple of areas to keep an eye on. The first key level to watch going to be right here around the $4 and 50-ish cent mark, give or take a little bit. But that's important because that's essentially where the price has, found some consolidation, during the latter part of the day. And that's also important because if the price does not hold above there, and I want to just double check, and to add a little bit more context to that 450-ish area, I think it's actually more around 460. But right around that general area, you can see this has acted as a big level of support in the past. But the reason why that is also important is if the price does not hold above it, then the next level of support is not until down at these lows where it was last week's, which was actually down sub $4. So I will actually map that out because that's a pretty important level. Again, I'm not saying that the 460-ish area is not going to hold. I'm just saying that if it doesn't hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price, drift down below that $4 mark. In the event the price does bounce, let me scrunch things up here. The overall level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be the pink line up here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Very well known, technical indicator. So a lot of eyeballs will be on that. And there is, definitely a self-fulfilling prophecy that kind of comes along with that. However, as it stands right now, top priority, in my opinion, at least, is not breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to chip away and ensure this is some sort of bottom that's trying to form. So the week is young, still 4 days left. We'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.